Yankee Sushi for the first time. I'm with my boyfriend Alex and my good friend Steven.
Hi.
They're gonna try the sushi train for the first time. So the food comes from there. I think they're preparing it now. And then it will make a beeping sound.
Oh.
Once we hear the beeping sound, it will go here. Yes. Get the plates, Alex. Wow, we have a lot of. So it's beeping. You have to return the train. Okay, so this is your first time to try miso soup. Basically, it's soft tofu and seaweed.